Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix the Xbox error code 0x87DD0019, and this occurs when signing in. So the first thing I recommend you guys doing is heading over to settings. From settings, what you're going to do is you want to go over to accounts, and then from accounts go over to remove accounts. So you want to basically just remove your account and then sign back in or add your account back in, and you can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second thing I would recommend you guys doing is heading over to network settings, go to advanced settings, and change the primary and secondary DNS. You're going to change the primary to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary to 8.8.4.4. This is basically going to almost like a restart your network type of thing, and adding this DNS also makes your Wi-Fi faster, so that's also a plus. Once you do that, go ahead and just test your network connection, make sure everything is working fine, and you should be good to go. Last thing I do recommend doing is restarting your Xbox. You can do that by clicking on the Xbox logo on your controller, heading over to power, and I think right here, restart console. And once you do that, you should be good to go. And that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.